Here I have OPPO K11, and today I'm going to show you how to transfer files from internal storage to SD card on this device. To do this, firstly let's open Files application, so you can transfer downloads, images, videos, audios, documents and others, and also apps. So let's transfer some images, for example this one and this one. So what you do is you hold your finger on them, then you tap on three dots here, select if you want to move them or if you want to copy them. So let's copy, then select SD card, any folder you like, could be pictures for me, and tap copy here. And now you will have these images not only on your device memory but also on SD card. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.